In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Semrush for free in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a digital marketer, a small business owner, or simply someone curious about enhancing their online presence, learning how to access Semrush without paying upfront can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive right in and get you started. First off, open up your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether you use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you fancy. The key here is to use a browser that you find comfortable and reliable. Once you've got that sorted, navigate to your search bar. Next, simply type Semrush into the search field and hit enter. Semrush is a popular tool used for SEO and marketing purposes. Doing this search will bring up the official website, usually at the top of the results list. Go ahead and click on that link, which will take you straight to their homepage. Now that you're on the Semrush website, you want to look for the Sign Up button. It's generally located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Sign Up will bring you to a new screen where you can begin creating your account. You'll need to enter your email address, so go ahead and type that in. Next, you'll be prompted to create a password specifically for Semrush. Make sure your password is strong, yet memorable. Alternatively, Semrush offers the option to sign up using Google. If you choose this path, you'll be able to connect directly with your Google account for easier accessibility. This is a good option if you prefer not to remember another set of login credentials, or if you simply want to streamline your sign-up process. Once you've successfully created your account, you'll gain access to the free version of Semrush. This version offers a host of basic features that can help you get started on improving your SEO and marketing efforts. While it may not include all the advanced tools and analytics present in the paid version, it's certainly a great starting point for exploring what Semrush has to offer. And there you have it. You've just learned how to get Semrush for free. It's that simple. And it just takes a few clicks to gain access to a world of insights for your online strategy. Remember, the free version is a great resource to familiarize yourself with the platform's functionalities, and who knows, you might find it so insightful that you decide to explore even more with their paid plans in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find great value in using Semrush. If this walkthrough was helpful, don't forget to check out our other videos for more guides and tips.